I have got a new book to show you this month. It arrives next day. It's available on Amazon and it's called Happy Halloween, and it's kind of like a social story guiding your children through what they might experience on Halloween so that they feel less anxious and less worried about it. Every open page has a lovely big full-sized photo on one side and then an illustration and the text to say on the other. And right at the start you'll see a menu for everything you need to make this story sensory. There's something for every single page, and this is what it might look like. Knock knock, I see a pumpkin. And we're going to explore pumpkins and pumpkin seeds. Knock knock, I see a witch. And for this one we're going to have a bucket or a bowl or even a cauldron and stir jelly inside, and we can smell it or taste it or just stir it. Knock knock, I see a spider. We're going to explore those lovely decorative webs that you get and put some spiders inside. Knock knock, I see a skeleton. For this one we're going to give deep pressure squeezes down our arms and legs. Knock knock, I see a black cat. We're going to explore some vibrating resources here covered in furry material. Knock knock, I see a bat. And there's a little QR code down here of some bat sounds that we can listen to. I'm going to put mine on a sound button. Knock knock, I see a pirate. We're going to crunch our cornflakes in our dry sensory tray in this one, just like they're little pirate coins. Knock knock, I see a ghost. We're going to float translucent silky fabrics overhead. Knock knock, I see a mummy. For this one we're going to explore toilet rolls. We can fling them up in the air, we can unravel them, we can wrap ourselves in them. Knock knock, oh, it's just children having fun. Happy Halloween. And try on different hats so we can see ourselves in the mirrors with the costumes on. Could be really great to use this week as you're celebrating Halloween with your learners. Usually as part of my curriculum we do topic-based stuff all term, but then the last week is kind of seasonal, so we're doing all the stuff about Halloween this week, so we'll be telling this story a good few times. If you would like access to it, then the link is in the description and it's also available on Amazon.